Alright, well, another cloudy day. It's supposed to be cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain. Going to Kimpan. Haven't been there in a while. It's a nice place. Traffic's not that bad right now, which is good. Welcome to Kimpan. So this is Kimpan, the start of it. Oh man, that wind is pretty strong. Oh, a restaurant. Saw pretty good chicken there. That one too, Shamrock. What the hell was that bus doing? Wow, it's windy. I don't know if the mic's picking that up. I hope not. Oh, the ocean. Oh, wow, those waves are huge. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can feel the water all the way from here. Oh, they're building that wall right there. Pretty cool. It's a resort. I don't know if it's still open. It was pretty nice. Haven't been in there for a while. Oh my gosh. That's a nice area. Kimpan, our little hometown. The town of the rising sun and suns. There's some Imperial Plaza there. I didn't know about. Must be new. About Vanishing Mansion. Jackass. Oh my god, I hope this guy sees me. Oh, DIY there also. Damn. The church. That looks like an old church. I love gimbal MPs. Jackass couldn't wait. It's a lot of little stores I've never seen before. Go over here to this little place. I think those light poles are new also. The ocean looks muddy. Wow. Brown water. Wow. Little rope bumps. What the hell is that over there? Oh, a Ferris wheel. Wow, those waves are large. Look at that. I'm gonna go over there and check. Wow. Damn. Over here, they look rough. Let me see if I can go over here. I hope the camera, oh my gosh. Look at those waves. I want to see one of the big waves again crash over there. Man, look at all that waves and muddy looking water. So all those storms. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Way out there is blue, the water. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna go. That's crazy. Go here, see this little fairground. Oh, the Grand Carnival. Is it open? Maybe in the evening time? At the didn't know there was one right here. Oh wow, those waves are here also. Wow. Don't remember where this road goes to. But I like seeing the waves. Is this a dead end? I can go there. I might have been here before. I can't remember. Where the hell is this road taking me? I can see the main road, but I don't think I could get to it. I think this used to be sealed off before. I have no idea where I'm going. What does this say? Oh, directory, phone numbers. Oh, it's a dead end over there. Oh, I can go here. There's screws in the ground. Oh, okay. Cool beans. I just went around. Oh, there's that white building. Okay. Here's the main road. That's cool. I never knew that. That guy's store is open. Oh yeah, it smells like dirty exhaust. Oh, I want to see the waves here. Wow. That is crazy. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Those waves are something else. Can't even see camera, it's so hazy back there. Well, I'm gonna get going. Oh wow. I don't think I've ever seen them that crazy before. Pretty cool. The ocean air feels really good. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna stop it here. The battery's getting low. I'm gonna head back home. Hope you enjoyed this little scenic drive. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Look at all the Marvel characters and DC characters too. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.